Hello and welcome to a little video tour for this Citizen Promaster titanium diver's style watch, or diver's watch actually, because it's supposedly ICO rated to 200 meters according to Citizen's website. Let's just run through what you get. So there is an outer carton and the model number stated here is NY0100-50ME. And that's in good condition. Then there is the inner carton, which is one of these sort of sliding boxes, and that's again in very good condition with the pillow. And then there is the little instruction booklet which slots in there, and an international guarantee card from Citizen, which is unstamped actually. Yeah, 20, so it would have been production 20 something. I think these came out about 2018 or so. The watch itself comes with 5 spare links, and there is a couple of pins plus 4 pins in there. Yep. They have been worn and there is some scratching on the links there. Not too bad, but just to say that they have been on the watch. My wrist is relatively small, it's only 17 centimeters, so this watch is sized up for 17 centimeters. Base titanium is marked up on the actual milled clasp here, which I've taken a better photograph of. So it's a milled clasp with security pusher there and a security clasp there, so everything fits together very nicely. 17 centimeters on this watch. Well, would that be about the minimum size wrist? I suppose it would be, really. It does have a fairly lifted rear case, which means that it does wear a little off the wrist, but that probably is to do with the 200 meters certification for water resistance. It has a rotating bezel which lines up perfectly. It's good lume, which I've actually drawn the wrong way. If you've got a lot of watches which have got the right hand crown, you tend to find that you just default to having the crown on the right. So as you may have noticed, this has the crown on the left, so it would be a left-handed watch, but in a way I would imagine that Citizen have promoted this for wearing on the right side, and sorry, on the left hand. Obviously left-handed people wear their watch on the right hand, so that the crown would then face your hand. But it's quite a revelation actually having the crown on the left. I mean, okay, you can't adjust the hands with your right hand if you're right-handed. Is that right? Well, yes, if you're right-handed you won't be able to adjust the crown because it's on the wrong side, but you know, that's no great shakes. Everyone normally adjusts the watch with the watch actually off. It's the 824 Miyota, 8204 Miyota, which is hacking, screw down crown, and it is signed as well. It's got quite a nice sign on the crown there. This finish on this titanium watch is really nice. It's very light, so for a relatively large watch it wears really nicely due to its weight and its balance. The clasp is relatively big. It doesn't really taper down. I think they're 20 millimeters, and then it rises to about 21, 22 for the actual clasp. Pictures of the lume are on there. It's Citizen is printed. It says automatic, divers 200 meters, titanium, and there is a frame date window which is day date. Red hand on the minutes, and a fairly stubby short cathedral syringe type hour hand. The glass is perfect, the bezel's perfect, round the bezel is perfect. There is just a few minor marks here and there where it's been worn, notably really on the lug just here. There's a few little minor marks. I tried to take the pictures. It is so small you cannot hardly see it on your wrist with normal eyesight, but if you look under a glass you'll see it. You know, an eyeglass, eye loop. Yeah, very nice watch, beautiful weight, nice to wear on the left hand with the crown facing away from your hand so it doesn't dig into your hand, which is a nice feature. And all in all, a nice piece with the full kit and setup, all the spare links, etc. And at the moment size to 17 centimeters. I'll leave it like that. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.